up, beautiful? Welcome back to my channel. If you are new to this, I am KB Natural, aka Zakia. Before we do anything, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Just hit that button for me. Hit the button if you want to be a part of the team. If you want to be a part of the circle, you got to be subscribed first. I'm sorry, you gotta be subscribed. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. So I have been gone for a long time. Yes, I've been MIA, my bad. But there's so many reasons why I have been gone long, and I'm gonna get to that. We're gonna chat today, but this video is really mainly for wash and goes. It's basically a detailed step-by-step demo on a wash and go. So my hair is now trained for wash and goes. When I first started this natural hair journey, it was the total opposite. I couldn't figure out how to get it to look cute. It was all over the place. So my hair is washed, I deep conditioned, and I have leave-in conditioning in right now. If you want a detailed view of how I do my wash day, then I do have a video on that. I can make sure I post that here, so you can watch the video and you can get the detailed of how I wash my hair. I'm going to take this microfiber towel off my hair. So I'm gonna work with a middle part today. When you are doing your wash and go, you wanna make sure that you have your parts together and all of that good stuff. So I'm gonna work with a middle part today. So you just wanna know where or what side or how you're gonna part your hair. For me, I'm gonna do a middle part. I am not a fan of side parts for so many reasons. I don't like how I look with side parts. Maybe when my hair gets longer, I would appreciate a side part more. But for the most part, I like the middle part because it gives you like that short-haired, curly girl look, and it's cute. So I like my middle parts, and I like to stick with my middle parts. So this is my middle part. It might be a little off, but that's all right. So that's the first thing you want to do with your wash and go, is just to make sure after, you know, you did your wash day and all of that, you just want to make sure that your part is either on the side or the middle. But honestly, there are girls that rock wash and goes and they don't have a part. They just have a big cute curly fro. So it's totally up to you. I just prefer parts. I tried the cute curly fro thing and it wasn't my thing. So like I said, when my hair gets longer, y'all, I'm gonna be trying all types of stuff, but for now we sticking with the middle part, okay? And then you just want to part your hair in sections, and the reason why you part your hair in sections is because you just want to make sure that you are getting every strand when you're putting in your products. So I'm parting all of my sections now. And they don't have to be like neat or whatever. You just want to make sure that you are getting a decent fair amount. So I usually start at the crown of my head, and then I work my way down to my ear. Just like that. That's enough. And then like I said, you know, depending on how your parts is, side part, middle part, no part, you will know how much to take in order to part your hair. I'm gonna do this one over. Back is like the chunkiest part of your hair. You want to make sure that back is straight, okay? You don't have to part the back of your hair, but for me it's easier because I just get all the hair out the way. Okay, so I had to readjust a couple things. No worries there. Then you want to make sure you have a nice little water bottle. Get it ready to go for your wash and go. And then I also carry a bottle of aloe vera juice, which is in here. And I'll spritz a little bit of that on there. Forgot I had a mirror right here, y'all. If you hear noise in the background, I have company, so don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it, sis, okay? Now my hair is saturated with water and aloe vera juice. So now I'm just gonna seal my hair with this moisture. Sometimes I will use a cream, but lately I feel like I've been having a moisture overload. So I do wanna settle down with the cream. So I'm just gonna seal my hair with this oil. This is the Melanin Multi-Use Pure Blend Oil. Not a lot, but enough to make sure that my hair is coated. It is very important to have your hair to be moisturized behind the gels that you're about to put in. The reason why I'm using the Eco Style gel is because it's gonna clump my curls, but I also want something that's gonna give me a little bit of definition, so that is why I chose the Wet Line Extreme Gel. I'm just going to part my hair into sections, just 2 sections, because I'm just gonna do 2. I'm gonna just put my comb right there because I do not feel like going back to the bathroom to get my clip. All right, so I'm gonna start with this half, this much. So once you part your hair, you can finger detangle, you can use a tool, whatever you like. I know a lot of people don't like to use tools. I try to stay away from them just because I don't want my hair to be pulling out with the tool. So I'll just finger detangle. It works just as well. Because it's a wash and go, we want to make sure our hair is absorbing everything. All right, so I'm going to start off with my Eco Style gel, and then you just want to make sure that you are raking it through. You can do rake, you can do praying hands. It's so many stuff that you can do, but I am going to start off with the raking hands, and then sometimes I'll just do like this just to make sure that it's extra coated. Okay, so this is what I'm working with the Eco Style. I just want a little bit more definition, so I'm gonna use the wet line, and I'm gonna do the same thing. Just rake it through your hair to make sure that you're coating your strands. That's what you want to do. And then if you need to, you can just basically just take your hair and separate it a little bit and just smooth it out with your fingertips to make sure that all of the strands are coated. All right, and then we'll move on to the next section. And then you want to take your aloe vera. You don't have to, this is optional. I like aloe vera because it does wonders to the scalp. It helps with itchy scalp, and it also helps, like, you know, to grow your hair. It stimulates hair growth. So I love to use aloe vera, especially with me having dermatitis. If you have a scalp condition, then aloe vera will be like key for that. All right, so I'm gonna take some more of my Eco Style and rub that here. And then you also want to make sure that you are getting your roots. That's something that I missed out. Make sure that you get your roots, because you don't want your roots to be super fluffy and the rest of your hair be defined. It's gonna look crazy. So make sure that you're getting your roots. So the reason why I have been off of YouTube, I feel like I've gave you guys this spiel before, but sometimes with YouTube you definitely need a break, especially when you already work in a full-time job separate from YouTube and social media, because you have to, well, for me, I have to do all of this, do my hair and film and get my lighting set up, and then I have to edit, and that takes a couple of days because I have to be attentive to my full-time job. So even though I'm working from home, I just think that it's just a lot. It's just a lot, and I just need to pace myself because I don't want to stop doing this. I think this is a cool thing to do. It's like your own little platforms. Another reason why is because of my setup. Like, my setup is not all of the best. When I move, I plan to move within the next year. When I move, my setup is gonna be so much better than me being in my room, because like, I just don't like the fact that y'all can see my bed. I don't like the fact that you can see my dresser and these 2 doors back here. Like, I want everything to, I want you to focus the camera just to be on me. Okay, so I have finished most of my hair. This is what I'm looking like. So this is a good combo from what I'm seeing. So I'm gonna finish this half. Alright, y'all, so I am done with this wash and go. I am going to diffuse it with my diffuser, and then I'm gonna stretch it out and all of that other stuff. I probably don't come back on until tomorrow or the day after, but I'm just showing you what type of definition accomplishment. Like, look how defined and great and healthy my hair is looking. Like, girl. What's up, y'all? I decided to come on here as like a vlog format, but I wanted to show you my day 2 3 results of my wash and go. This is how it looks. It is looking amazing. My hair is growing so much. Like I said, the key to a good wash and go is water. Make sure that you wash your hair properly. So make sure that you're shampooing, make sure that you're conditioning, deep conditioning, and make sure that you're adding the proper moisture to it. So that's like leave-in conditioner or any type of hair maker of your choice. But for me, I definitely was dealing with some moisture overload like the last couple of weeks, so I definitely had to make sure that I didn't use a cream this time, because I usually use a cream. So I did not use a cream this time. I just used my leave-in conditioner as my base moisture, and then I went right in with my gels. That is all I have for you today. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button, because you just cannot be a part of the team if you don't hit the subscribe button. I'm sorry. And also make sure that you hit that notification bell so you can catch that ring every time I upload a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.